Today, I'll be doing a red light therapy facial on my client with normal skin, inviting in calm, relaxation, and stress relief. Red light therapy works with the skin to stimulate collagen production, which gives skin its structure, strength, and elasticity. The effects of red light therapy can improve skin health problems, but it can also address mind health, such as stress and depression relief. I'll be starting this facial and the first cleanse off with Sorella Apothecary's Apricot Mango Cleansing Milk, which is a creamy, calming cleanser that revives dry and dull skin and gently removes any makeup and dirt. It's infused with apricots, mangoes, and potent vitamin C to soothe the skin and brighten the complexion. It's perfect for anyone who prefers a gentle and hydrating cleanse, as it's smooth yet very effective. For her second cleanse, I have the steamer going, and I'll be using Image Skincare's ILUMA Intense Brightening Cleanser, which gently cleanses, refines, and removes impurities while visibly brightening and illuminating the skin. I love this cleanser because it contains bamboo spears and smart sensing beads, which removes dead skin cells and impurities for a smooth, polished, radiant result. It also contains ginseng root, licorice root, and paeonia extract, which is a blend of natural extracts that provides antioxidant benefits and helps to brighten uneven skin tone. The natural extracts in this cleanser are going to help to boost luminosity and promote hydration in dull skin. For her exfoliant, I'm going to use the ILUMA Intense Brightening Exfoliating Powder, which is a water-activated micro-exfoliating powder that'll help with a brighter, more even tone complexion. It gently polishes and buffs away dead skin cell buildup and is brightening and illuminating the skin. This exfoliation is also going to be prepping her skin for all of the products that'll come next in this facial treatment. Once removing the product with facial sponges, I'll be using a warm steam towel to remove any excess product, to open the pores in preparation for extractions, and of course, to invite in a ton of relaxation. My client has already beautiful skin and is not in need of extractions, but I'll be clearing out a little congestion in her nose area before applying her mask. Now it's massage time. Take a deep breath, relax, release any tension, and surrender to healing, peace, and calm. I'm using Dermalogica's Massage Gel Cream, which is an oil-based massage cream that's lightweight and provides a nice glide. To lift and revitalize the appearance of her skin with the stimulating massage, I'm using the Gua Sha facial massage tool, an ancient beauty ritual known for its ability to breathe new life back into skin. It's been used for centuries in traditional Chinese medicine to smooth away the appearance of wrinkles and to help visibly firm the facial contours while awakening the skin's natural glow. The tool is made out of jade, which is known to be a crystal of peace, serenity, and luck. It's a feel-good stone that opens the crown chakra and mellows out thought, calms emotion, and rids negative energy. This is a perfect addition to the massage to help her relax and remove stress factors, bringing in peace and calm. For her mask, I'll be using SkinScript's Raspberry Peach Enzyme Mask. Raspberry contains high levels of polyphenol antioxidant acids, which soothes skin irritation and reduces inflammation, while the peach is going to soften and it's aromatically relaxing. Hibiscus flower and pumpkin add to the exfoliating properties of this enzyme mask. This mask is good for all skin types and contains vitamin C and A and beta carotene, which stimulates cell turnover. While her mask sets, I'll be using the light therapy machine. LED light therapy is a non-invasive treatment that enters the skin's layers to improve the skin. Dermatologists and estheticians commonly use the LED red light therapy to treat a range of skin issues, and oftentimes I use light therapy together with other treatments such as creams and masks for the best results. LED light therapy helps to treat a variety of skin conditions and concerns, including eczema, hair loss, mild to moderate acne, psoriasis, rough scaly, precancerous spots on the skin, rosacea, sun damage, wounds, and wrinkles. To see significant benefits of the LED light, you typically need to have a series of treatments, and I recommend a treatment each week for about a month. As a side note, there are some contraindications to LED light therapy, and it's not appropriate for everyone, including people who take certain medications that increase their sensitivity to sunlight or have a history of certain conditions, including skin cancer and inherited eye diseases. Now I'll be using Eminence Organic Skincare's Soothing Chamomile Tonique, and I'll be using Image Skincare's Vital C Hydrating Eye Recovery Gel. This light cooling eye gel is supercharged with nourishing antioxidants and peptides that help to reduce the appearance of dark circles, puffiness, fine lines, and wrinkles. The perfect antidote to tired eyes. It's going to work to brighten, hydrate, and refresh the eye area while delivering the nourishing benefits of vitamin C. To moisturize her skin, I'll be using Eminence Organic Skincare's Stone Crop Whip Moisturizer, which is one of my favorite moisturizers. I love the smell, and Eminence products are so rich and luxurious. This moisturizer is made from stone crop, which is a natural succulent that's been used for centuries as a first aid plant. As a part of this effective moisturizer, it heals, reduces the appearance of irritation, and gently clarifies the skin's appearance. Of course, I finish off all of my facials with the Beachbum Wisdom Sacred Glow Ritual Oil, which is a restorative and skin nourishing blend of all of the best non-comedogenic vegan oils that deeply condition, restore, and feed the skin's barrier. I'll be sending her off with some Black Girl sunscreen. I'll be nourishing her lips with the Ormedic Balancing Lip Enhancement Complex. She is all done with her facial treatment. She's feeling extremely relaxed, and her skin has a beautiful, radiant glow.